Preeti Shukla and Dr. Ajay Kumar Shukla, Srimati Lakshmi Prakash and Dr. Prakash Neelakandan, Srimati Kalai Selvi and Shri Govindaraj, Dr. Moitri Laskar and Dr. Debasis Adhikari, Dr. Sharmistha Sinha and Dr. Sabyasachi Rakshit. We welcome you all to the Bharatanatyam Salangai Pujai. The artists of the evening are Kumari Anahita, Kumari Anaya, Kumari Bhadra, Kumari Bhavadharini, Kumari Roopkatha, and Kumari Sohini.
A very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guests of the evening, Ms. Suchitra Mitra ji, a veteran Bharatanatyam dancer of Tri-City and Udaya Shankar and Shiromani awardee, Mrs. Raji Pramod Srivastava, IAS, Special Chief Secretary, Government of Punjab, and Shri S.P. Rajashekharan ji, General Secretary, Chandigarh Tamil Sangam. We are honored by the presence of each and every one of you here today and look forward to sharing a memorable evening of dance and celebration with you all.
Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest forms of Indian classical dance. It has immense cultural and spiritual significance. To witness children showcase our country's cultural glory is a treat to our eyes. In Bharatanatyam, the Salangai Pujai marks the dancer's ability to perform with a certain level of proficiency. The children who are going to perform here today have been trained in Bharatanatyam for the last 5 years. This is their maiden attempt to perform on stage with live orchestra. They seek the blessings of you all as they take their first step.
On the orchestra, we have Nattuvangam by Guru Srimati Ranjani Seshadri, Kumari Sapna Krishna Kumar, a student of Aiza Mohali from MS20 on vocal, Sri Sridev, a student of Aiza Mohali from MS21 on Miridangam, and Sri Raghavendra Prasad from Delhi on violin. We begin the program with lighting of lamp, followed by prayer to Lord Nataraja, the god of dance.
I now request our chief guests, Ms. Suchitra Mitra ji, Mrs. Raji Srivastava IAS, and Shri S.P. Rajashekharan ji, along with Srimati Ranjani Seshadri, to come onto the stage and light the lamp. I request the chief guests to kindly stay back on the stage. The dancers will receive their salangai from the Guru and also take the blessings of Guru and the elders. I request the parents also to come onto the dais to bless the artists.
Thank you all. We have Guru Shrimati Ranjani Seshatri on Nattuvangam. Shrimati Ranjani began her initial training under Guru Shrimati Renuka Balasubramaniam in the Pantanallur style of Bharatanatyam at the age of 5. After 8 years of training, she moved to Hyderabad and continued training under the renowned danceuse Dr. Rajeshwari Sainath. She was a faculty of Bharatanatyam at her Guru's Institute, Shrutilaya Kendra Nataraja Alaya, for 10 years. She is a recipient of a central government scholarship for dance awarded by the Government of India. She has performed dance and Nattuvangam at various prestigious venues, including Sabhas at Chennai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. She started her dance school, Bharatanatyam Kendra, in the year 2018 at Aiza Mohali, and she is training many talented young children. She has also received Carnatic music training from late Sri D. Seshachari, who is popularly known as Hyderabad Brothers. She has done her master's in business administration and worked as a HR manager for over 11 years.
On vocal is Kumari Sapna Krishna Kumar from MS20 batch of Aisar Mohali. Sapna is from Chennai and is a Bharatanatyam dancer, Carnatic vocalist, and singer for Bharatanatyam performances. She has been learning Carnatic vocal for the past 17 years and is a disciple of Sangeeta Kala Acharya, Kalai Mamani, Vidushi Geeta Raja. She gives solo vocal performances as well as duet vocal performances with her sister. She has also been learning Bharatanatyam for the past 17 years. She is currently a disciple of Kalai Mamani, Srimati Roja Kanan. Sapna is a recipient of the CCRT scholarship from the Government of India for Bharatanatyam since 2013. Sapna is also capable of doing Nattuvangam and singing vocal simultaneously for dance performances.
On Miridangam is Sri Sridev, a 4th year BSMS physics student of Aiza Mohali. He has been learning Miridangam professionally for 15 years under the guidance of Guru Palakkad K. Jayakrishnan. He has won 4 Kerala State Kalolsavam competitions. He is a CCRT scholarship holder and has accompanied renowned artist Sri K.N. Ranganatha Sharma in 2018.
On the violin is Sri Raghavendra Prasad. Sri Raghavendra has learnt violin from Kalai Mamani Sri V.S.K. Chakrapani for 16 years. He holds a master's degree in music from Delhi University and he is a chartered accountant. He has accompanied many senior musicians in vocal concerts and also plays for dance concerts.
We now start with the Ganesha Vandana, a kirtanam offering prayers to Lord Ganesha, who is Vigna Nashaka, the remover of all obstacles.
प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं पणितल्वासुदेव भक्तं सततं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं पणितल्वासुदेव भक्तं सततं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं गणनाथ मामर बृन्दसेवितं गणनाथ मामर बृन्दसेवितं गणनाथ मामर बृन्दसेवितं धृतचारुमोदकं गजमुखं धृतचारुमोदकं गजमुखं धृतचारुमोदकं गजमुखं श्रुतकरामित गर्वपञ्जकं धृतचारुमोदकं गजमुखं श्रुतकरामित गर्वभञ्जकं नतलोकसन्तोषदायकं नतलोकसन्तोषदायकं श्रुतभक्तपालकं सिद्धिविनायकं श्रुतभक्तपालकं सिद्धिविनायकं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं सुदेवभक्तं सततं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं
The first dance item of today's concert will be Todaya Mangalam. In Bharatanatyam, Todaya Mangalam is an invocatory item performed at the beginning of a recital as an invocation to the deity and to welcome auspiciousness. It is a set of songs that typically consists of short compositions in the praise of Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, and Lord Srinivasa, who are different forms of Mahavishnu. It is composed by saint poets like Annamacharya and Vijaya Gopalaswamy. Presenting Todaya Mangalam, which is a Ragamalika set to Talamalika. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
जय जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुह चरण जय दीन करुणा जय 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 जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुह चरण जय दीन करुणा जय 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 जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुह चरण जय दीन करुणा जय 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 जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुह चरण जय दीन करुणा जय जय
ಸಾಕುತಣ್ಣಂ ಸರಿತಾಂ ಸತಕುತಣ್ಣಂ ಸರಿತೈ ಸಾಕುತಣ್ಣಂ ಸರಿದ ತಕ್ಕುತಣ್ಣಂ ಸರಿದ ಕುತಣ್ಣಂ ದತಕುತಣ್ಣಂ ತದಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣತಂ ತಕದ ದಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣತಂ ತಕದಿಕು ತದಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣತಂ
ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಸಲ್ಮುಖ ಶರಣು ಶ್ರೀ ಸಖಿ ವಲ್ಲಭ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಸಲ್ಮುಖ ಶರಣು ಶ್ರೀ ಸಖಿ ವಲ್ಲಭ ಶರಣು ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಗರ್ವ ಸಂಹರ ಶರಣು ವೆಂಕಟನಾಯಕ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುನಾಯಕ ವಿಜಯ ವೆಂಕಟ ನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಹರೇ 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 ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಸಲ್ಮುಖ ಶರಣು ಶ್ರೀ ಸಖಿ ವಲ್ಲಭ ಶರಣು ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಗರ್ವ ಸಂಹರ ಶರಣು ವೆಂಕಟನಾಯಕ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುನಾಯಕ ವಿಜಯ ವೆಂಕಟನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಹರೇ 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 ಮುರಹರನ ಕದರ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಪಂಕಜನಾಭ 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 ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಭವ ಭಂಜನ ಕೇಶವ ನರ ಮೃಗ ಶರೀರ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರದ ಸನ್ನುತ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ದೇವೇಶ ಗಣಾರಾಧಿತ ದಿವ್ಯ ಮುಜಪಾದ ದೇವೇಶ ಗಣಾರಾಧಿತ ದಿವ್ಯ ಮುಜಪಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟ ಗಿರಿನಾಯಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಹಜರಿ ಮುಜಪಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟ ಗಿರಿನಾಯಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಹಜರಿಗ ದೃಗಡ್ತಕ್ಕ 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 ತಳಂಗುತಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣತಂ ತಾಕು ತಣಂ ಸರಿತಾ ತತಕು ತಣಂ ಸರಿತೈ ತಾಕು ತಣಕು ತಣಕು ಕಿಣಕು ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತಂ 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 ಮಾಧವ ಭವತು ಜಯಮಗಳು ಜಯ ಮಾಧವ ಭವತು ಜಯಮಗಳು ಮಧುಮೂರ ಹರತೆ ಜಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಮಾಧವ ಭವತು ಮಧುಮೂರ ಹರತೆ ಜಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಮಾಧವ ಭವತು ತಾಂ ತರಿತ ದಣತಾಂ ದಣತ ಜಣುತಾಂ ಜಣತ ದಿಮಿತಾತೆ ಕಡತಗತಾಂ ತರಿತ ದಣತಾಂ ದಣತ ಜಣುತಾತೆ ತಾಂ ತರಿತ ದಣತಾತೆ ತಕ್ಕ ತಡ್ರಿ ತತ್ತಡ್ರಿ ತದ್ದಣ್ಣ ದಳಂಕುತಂ ಕಡತಗ ತರಗಿಡತಂ ದಳಂಕುತಂ ಕಡತಗ ತರಗಿಡತಂ ದಳಂಕುತಂ ಕಡತಗ ತರಗಿಡತಂ ಮಾಧವ ಭವತು ಜಯಮಂಗಳಂ ಜಯ ಮಾಧವ ಭವತು ಜಯಮಂಗಳಂ
The next item is Alaripu. Alaripu is also an invocatory dance performed at the beginning of the recital, offering obeisance to the gods, guru, and audience. It is like a warm-up dance. It is a perfect example of a pure nritta dance sequence which involves no abhinaya or expressions. Alaripu in Rupaka Thalam.
தெய் தெய்யும் தத் தாம் கிட்டத்தக தத் தெய் தெய்யும் தத் தாம் கிட்டத்தக தாம் தித் தாம் கிட்டத்தக தெய் தத் தெய் கிட்டத்தக தாம் தித் தாம் கிட்டத்தக தெய் தத் தெய் கிட்டத்தக தாம் தித் தாம் தெய் தத் தெய் தாம் தித் தாம் தெய் தத் தெய் தாம் தித்தாம் தெய் தத்தெய் தாம் தித்தாம் தெய் தத்தெய் தாம் திதாதை 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 தத்தெய் தாம் தித்தாம் கிடதகதெய் தத்தெய் கிடதகதாம் தித்தாம் கிடதகதெய் தத்தெய் கிடதகதாம் தித்தாம் தெய் தத்தெய் தாம் தித்தாம் தெய் தத்தெய் தாம் தித்தாம் தெய் தத்தெய் தாம் தித்தாம் தெய் தத்தெய் தாம் திதாதை 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 tade tam ditate tade tam ditate tade tam dit tam kita tade tat tade kita tade tam dit tam kita tade tat tade kita tade tam dit tam tade tat 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 tade tam dit ta 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 tade tat tade ta hata jam karita sata hata jam karite tom tak tom tak ko tom tam dalam kuda kata dikita tom tak dei yum tak tam kita tak tam dit tam kita tak dei tak dei kita tak tam.
The next item will be Natesha Kautuvam. Natesha Kautuvam is a traditional piece in Bharatanatyam showcasing intricate footwork, expressions and storytelling. It begins with a rhythmic recitation of sollukattas or bowls, followed by lyric recitation in the same rhythmic meter, which is then followed by a melodic rendering of the lyrics. This is a fast-paced piece that has beautiful poses of Lord Natesha, that is Shiva, the one who is worshipped by all the sages and demons, and the one who dances with a drum in one hand. Presenting Natesha Kautuvam in Ragam Hamsadhwani, set to Aditalam, composed by Gangai Muthu Nattuvanar.
Dimi dimi ta taka ta dim 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 taka dimi ta taka ta dim 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 taka dimi ta taka ta dim dim taka dimi ta taka ta dim
dim taka dimmi ta taka ta dim taka dimmi ta taka ta dim tadavana munijan sakala sura sannutta pada kinkini jam vana munijana sakala sura sannutta pada kinkini jam
dim taka dimi ta taka ta dim tadavana munijana sakala sura sannutta pada kinkini jam janna nupuralaya gati gana vidhi hari sevitatam tat tam tatta jana nupuralaya gati gana vidhi hari sevitatam tatta jana nupuralaya gati gana vidhi hari sevitatam tatta
kita kita taki dik kita ತಾಂಡವಿಡಂಬನ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕಿ ತಿರಿಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕಿ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರಮ ಶಂಕರ ತೊಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕಿ ತೊಣ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕಿ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲಧರ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕಿ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕಿ ತಾಂಡವಿಡಂಬರ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕಿ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕಿ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರ ಶರ್ಮಧರ ತೊಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕಿ ತೊಣ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕಿ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲಧರ ನಂದಿ ವಾಹನ ನಾದ ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜಗಡಂ ಕಿಟತಕಿ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ನಂದಿ ವಾಹನ ನಾದ ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜಗಡಂ ಕಿಟತಕಿ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೈ ಜಯ 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 ಶಶಿ ರವಿಭೂಷಣ ರೂಪ ಭಯಂಕರ ಡಮರುಕ ಹಸ್ತ ಜಯ 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 ಶಶಿ ರವಿಭೂಷಣ ರೂಪ ಭಯಂಕರ ಡಮರುಕ ಹಸ್ತ ತೃತೀಯ ಸಹಸ್ರ ದೀಕ್ಷಿತ ನಾನ ನಟೇಶ ಕೌತ್ವಂ ತಕ ತಕ ತಾಂ ದಿಗಿ ದಿಗಿ ದೈ ತಕುದಿ ಕುತ ಕೀಟ ತುಂ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಗಿದನ್ ತಕ ತಕ ತಾಂ ದಿಗಿ ದಿಗಿ ದೈ ತಕುದಿ ಕುತ ಕೀಟ ತುಂ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಗಿದನ್ ತಂಗಿ ಕಿಟ ತುಂ ತಕ ತಕ ದೈ ತಕುದಿ ಕುತ ಕೀಟ ತುಂ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಗಿದನ್ ತಂಗಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ದಿ ಕುತಾಂ ತ ತ ತಾಂ ತ ತ
The next item would be Jati Swaram. Jati Swaram is a dance item that helps in developing rhythmic stability. It is a pure dance devoid of abhinaya or emotions. The dancers improvise on the musical composition, creating intricate patterns with adavus and mudras. Jati Swaram in Ragam Kalyani, set to Rupaka Thalam, composed by Sri Ponaiya Pillai.
ಸಾ ನೀದ ಪದ ಮಗರಿ ನೀರಿ ಸ ನೀರಿ ಗ ಮಗ ಮ ಪದ ನೀ ಸಾ ನೀದ ಪದ ಮಗರಿ ನೀರಿ ಸ ನೀರಿ ಗ ಮಗ ಮ ಪದ ನೀ ಸಾ ನೀದ ಪದ ಮಗರಿ ನೀರಿ ಸ ನೀರಿ ಗ ಮಗ
ನಳಂಕು ತಕದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕತದಿ ಕಿಟತೋಂ ಸಾಹತ ಜಂ ತರಿದ ಸತಹತ ಜಂ ತರಿದೈ ಸಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ಜಂ ತರಿದ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃತಕ ತರಿಕಟತೋಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ಜಂ ತರಿದ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃತಕ ತರಿಕಟತೋಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ಜಂ ತರಿದ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃತಕ ತರಿಕಟತೋಂ
ನೀದ ಪದ ಮಗರಿ ನೀರಿ ಸ ನೀರಿ ಗ ಮಗ ಮ ಪದ ನೀ ಸ ನೀದ ಪದ ಮಗರಿ ನೀರಿ ಸ ನೀರಿ ಗ ಮಗ ಮ ಪದ ನೀ ಸ ನೀದ ಪದ ಮಗರಿ ಮಗರಿ ನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಪದ ಮಮ ಪದ ಮನಿ ಪದ ಸನಿ ಪದ ಮಗರಿ ನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಪದ ನಿ ಸನಿ ಸ ನೀ ದ ಪದ ಮಗರಿ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ದ ಪದ ಮಗರಿ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ಪ ದ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಪ ದ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ಗ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ದ ಮ ದ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದಿ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ಗ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ದ ಮ ದ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದಿ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನೀ ದ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನೀ ದ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ರಿ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ದ ನಿ ಗ ಮ ದ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ನೀ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ದ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ನೀ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now take a moment to honor our esteemed chief guests present here. After a brief felicitation event, we shall resume the dance program. It is my pleasure to introduce to you our chief guest, Ms. Suchitra Mitra ji. Ms. Suchitra Mitra has completed her diploma in Bharatanatyam from Kalakshetra, Chennai, and has done her Master of Fine Arts from Rabindra Bharati University, Kolkata. She is also a Visharad degree holder in Hindustani classical music. She has undergone intensive training under renowned gurus of Bharatanatyam, such as Guru Srimati Tankamani Kutti, Padma Vibhushan, Dr. Padma Subramaniam, Padma Bhushan, Srimati Kalanidhi Narayanan, and has also been trained in other classical dance forms such as Kathakali and Manipuri. She is a former lecturer of dance at Rabindra Bharati University, Kolkata. She has been teaching and conducting workshops in Bharatanatyam across India and abroad for the last 35 years. She is the founder, principal, cum chief executive officer of an NGO, Padam, pedestal of the art of dance and music for the last 30 years since 1993, which organizes workshops, lectures, demonstrations for various art forms. Among her numerous accolades are the prestigious Uday Shankar Award, Shiromani Award, PKK Award of Excellence, and Natya Kalamani Award. I would request Ms. Suchitra ji to please come on to the dais. I request Srimati Ranjini Seshatri to honor Ms. Suchitra ji. Thank you. Ma'am, I request you to kindly say a few words and bless the artists.
Namaskaram. It is so difficult for me to sit down there silently. Most of the time I was holding my hands tight because it's so difficult when the music is on and such a lovely orchestra group you are. Excellent, excellent. And I was watching dance. In between, I think 50% dance and 50% I was looking at the orchestra. Excellent orchestra, and thank you so much. So nice to see the children doing Bharatnatyam in this part of the country. I would like to share one incident, a very small one. Initially, when I came to Chandigarh, it's way back in 1996, 97, I gave advertisement for my dance classes only during the summer workshop. So I got a call, तुसी शादी वगैरह करवाते हो? I said, what is that? आप जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिया है, मैंने बोले क्या एडवर्टाइजमेंट में क्या है? ये जो आपने लिखा ना, बारात, Bharatnatyam became only Bharat for him. So in that place, now Bharatnatyam, if you Google for the Bharatnatyam, you will find the name of Chandigarh. And so nice to see these children. Ranjini, you are doing it such a lovely work, you know, because nowadays the children are drifted away from our culture, whatever reason it may be. To see the children coming back to the root, it is such a lovely thing, such a lovely thing. Excellent. And all the children, all the best until now, what you have done. It is a wonderful job. And I could not believe from the beginning all of you were doing all the items together. What a stamina you have developed. I think half of the credit goes to your teacher also, Ranjini, right? No doubt you have worked so hard, all the children. All the best for your future endeavor. And once again, orchestra. Excellent, excellent orchestra. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I would now like to introduce Srimati Raji Pramod Srivastava. Srimati Raji Pramod Srivastava is an IAS officer of the 1992 batch and currently is the Special Chief Secretary in the Government of Punjab. She has roots in Palakkad district of Kerala, but grew up in Ahmedabad. She learned Carnatic classical music and Vedic chanting from highly respected gurus and acquired spiritual insights from her deeply devout parents. Blessed with writing talent and multilingual skills, she has been mentoring children in different endeavors. She is married to Mr. Pramod Srivastava, IRS, who is also here with us today, and is himself a follower of classical art forms. Their only child, Ridhima, is a diplomat and Indian Foreign Services officer of the 2020 batch. It is indeed an honor to have you here with us today, ma'am. I would request you to come onto the dais, and I would request Srimati Ranjani Seshadri to present Srimati Raja Srivastava with a token of our appreciation. Ma'am, I request you to kindly say a few words.
Distinguished guests, on this auspicious evening, it is a matter of immense pleasure for me and my husband to be witnessing this beautiful performance. As Guru Suchitra ji has said, to be able to get these kind of experiences in Tri-City Chandigarh is a matter of great joy, great satisfaction. I never dreamt that I would live to hear Todai Mangalam in Tri-City. And to see these lovely little girls showcase their beautiful art for all of us to enjoy. I have many things to say, but I shall restrict myself to just a few sentences, most of which will be addressed to these young performers, Kumari Anahita, Anaya, Bhadra, Bhavadarini, Roopkatha, and Sohini. The path that you have chosen, children, is not easy. It was never easy to pursue the arts. Even when 30 years ago we were children, things were very difficult. A child who was studying music, dance, or any other art form would stand apart from the crowd. There was always something different and something special about the artistic child. And today, it is even more difficult because you have bigger exams in life like JEE and NEET and all kinds of things to aspire for, which are all necessary, no doubt. We are all part of that process. We have journeyed through that as parents also. But I just want to say and request these children with folded hands and their parents, please do not give up your art. Please do not give up your art. I will say this not only with the emphasis that is required to promote adherence to art and culture, but with the regret of a person who could not pursue her art form, and also a mother who could not train her daughter or get her daughter an art education due to so many reasons, like our transfers and so on, transfers, postings, lack of opportunities, absence of teachers in some small towns and so on. Reasons may be many, but they remain excuses. If you have an art within you, if you have talent within you, if you're getting the opportunity to learn a beautiful art form, please throw your excuses into the nearest garbage bin. Please do not get onto that route and just stay focused on your art form. You can do it. You can practice your academic endeavor as well as your artistic endeavor because your parents are supporting you. Your Guruji is supporting you so much. In such a short time, Srimati Ranjani has set up her dance school and has brought her students to this stage. Tiny feet. They are marking these footsteps on the stage. It is such a joy to see you all. I only wish this ISER auditorium could have been jam-packed. Don't worry, you will get there. You will all reach a stage where people will travel 30 kilometers to come and see you. Don't worry, it will happen. But before that, the hard work, the journey, the endeavor, that must come from you, the student. There is so much more, and dance, because it demands physical activity, needs so much more dedication and tapasya than many other art forms. So not comparing one with the other, I would just like to say that sitting here in Mohali, Chandigarh, Panchkula, you're having this beautiful, God-given opportunity. Please make the most of it. And my humble request, with again folded hands, to all these wonderful parents, maybe grandparents also, who are encouraging these children, is to support them. Please support them. You know, we all know that nothing comes without hard work. For example, who is the strongest entity you can think of? Maybe the lion, king of the jungle. So when you think of the lion in the jungle, you think, oh, Raja hai, he gets everything, he is the fiercest, he doesn't need to work, right? That's not true. Do you think that if the lion were to sit under a tree and go to sleep, his food, that is deer and other small animals, will follow into his mouth? They will not. He has to go out and hunt. Even the lion, who is the king of the jungle, has to go out and work hard. It's a small example that I'm giving for the children so that they understand, because they will understand these references to animals like Panchatantra lore. So there's a beautiful Sanskrit couplet called Subhashitam for this. Udyame naiva siddhyanti karyani na manorathaihi nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mrike mukhe mrigaha. It is only through your endeavor, only through supreme hard work, that you will realize your ambitions. Not just by keeping desires in your heart. For small animals do not enter the mouth of the sleeping lion, which means that the lion has to hunt. You have to go out, make an effort. You have to get up, dress up, show up. Even on the worst day, when you're not feeling so good, you have to make that effort. I just want to wish all these lovely children a wonderful career. I want God to bless them with academic success, because otherwise then the entire pressure of society will be on them ki dance chodo, dance chodo. So I want them to be brilliant in their studies and blessed by God on that front also, so that they can pursue their art very well. Congratulations to the children, the dancers. Congratulations to the parents and grandparents. And above all, my felicitations, my congratulations to Srimati Ranjani Sheshadri, who has brought this beautiful facet into Tri-City landscape. So important for all of us. We are all there to support you and to applaud you as your students go from strength to strength. It is also a matter of pleasure to hear this beautiful musician from ISER. I couldn't catch your name. She's Sapna, wonderful singer, and I think the Mridangam artist is also from ISER. Your name is? Shridev. It was wonderful to see you, and to hear the violin in Tri-City for us is a matter of rare luxury. So all of this has combined together to bring something beautiful, something very refined, and something mellifluous into our lives. I can only thank the Lord for this brilliant, wonderful opportunity. Please, Ranjani ji, you don't have to invite us as guests. You just let us know, we will come. Right? The whole point is to be a part of this joyous journey. I wish that God may grant you and your family wonderful success in all your endeavors, and may you go from strength to strength so that you can take these lovely children on the journey towards artistic perfection. And once again, thank you very much for inviting us over here. Every moment has been a joy. We have not been able to take our eyes away from the stage at all. It was a riveting performance. I'm not qualified to comment or observe on their artistic perfection. That only Guru Suchitra ji can do. But it is such a joy to see them on stage. Once again, thank you so much. Tejasvina Vadhitamastu. May God bless all of you. May God bless the teacher and the taught, teacher and the pupil together on their journey always. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It is my pleasure to welcome Shri Rajashekharan ji, General Secretary of Shri Kartikeya Swami Temple and Chandigarh Tamil Sangam. Shri Rajashekharan ji's leadership and dedication have been instrumental in establishing the Kartikeya Swami Temple and Bharati Bhavan, which have become the cornerstones of our cultural heritage. His tireless efforts have promoted cultural activities in the Tri-City. Under his guidance, Chandigarh Tamil Sangam has been making a significant impact through various charitable initiatives, including the weekly Langar service at PGI and annual distribution of school supplies to around 500 underprivileged children and many more activities. We are deeply grateful for your unwavering support to our dance students, sir. Your encouragement has contributed to nurturing young talent. I would request Shri Rajashekharan ji to please come onto the dais. Request Srimati Ranjani Seshadri to honor Shri Rajashekharan sir. Sir, we request you to say a few words and bless the artists.
Vanakkam, Shastriya Kal, Namaskaram. It's very difficult after the speech of Guru, after the speech of my sister Acharya, गुरु आचार्य इन लोगों को बात में बात करना बहुत मुश्किल है. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द आर्टिस्ट बिकॉज आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग. ऑलरेडी सुचित्रा मैडम हैज स्पोकन. आई डोंट टॉक अबाउट द ऑर्केस्ट्रा. आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग बिकॉज ऑलरेडी राजीव मैडम हैज स्पोकन. But I am going to appreciate the parents, those who are sitting here. Please put your hands together for yourself. Being a general secretary of a socio-cultural organization, our main motto is to spread art and culture in this part of the world. We are almost 2,500 kilometers away from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. मैं 2 दिन के पहले किसी से बात कर रहा था. ये धोबी का कुत्ता ना घर का है ना घाट का है. Being an Air Force background, our lifestyle was also like that. Here many doctors are there, they are sitting over here, either people are there. We are all migrated from Tamil Nadu for the bread and butter. But our children, neither they will adapt Punjabi culture nor they will adapt Tamil Nadu culture. So when we are going and setting up there, when you are going back to Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, wherever it is, it's very difficult for our children to adapt our own culture. So I have taken up this thing in my mind. So when we are constructing the temple in Sector 31, I mainly said that one stage should be there so that our art and culture should continue, all the activities should continue. Then by the grace of all our IAS officers and all the ministers, MP, governor, everyone, we could construct one auditorium there in Sector 30. That really helped us to develop all these things. But we could construct only temple and we could construct only building. But it is only because of the acharyas and gurus like Suchitra Mitra madam and Ranjani Sheshatri madam. And our culture is still alive. It is highly impossible because sometimes I think dancing Bhangra is very easy. इधर सारे सभी सरदार वो डांस करते हैं शादी पे. So last time I went for a marriage, I started dancing. Everyone looked at me, what nonsense he is doing. Because it's very difficult to learn any art form. And Bharatanatyam is very, very difficult. It is more scientific actually. Because Bharatanatyam is not only a dance. And it is not a courtyard dance. It is a dance which has to be performed in the temple. And whereas the music and the dance, both should be coordinated. And as my sister Raji P. Srivastava IAS rightly pointed out, the academic excellence will automatically follow when you are doing the Bharatanatyam. Because see, both the daughters, they are the students of Suchitra Mitra madam. And when we say only one word, Suchitra Mitra, they just get up from their chair. Till now, one is in Canada, one is she is doing MD in Tuticorin. Because such a wonderful influence this dance people, the Gurujis they are having. And I am seeing this girl who is sitting over here and singing. And continuously I was watching the posture what she was sitting here. Continuously, it is very difficult to sit like this. Please put your hands together for this wonderful team. And it has happened because she is not only a singer and she is not only a singer, she is also a Bharatanatyam dancer. And see how much we are proud that these people are in ISER and he is also in a university in Delhi and they have taken up the culture also along with them. So I really thankful to all the parents. Aap sabko mera heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you. Without you, it is not at all possible. You are not only teaching or you are not only giving the opportunity to your children, you are really nurturing our culture. And I am really touching your feet. I am really sincerely thanking each and every one of you. There are so many elders I have seen. You have not understood what they are dancing. You have not understood what they are singing. You have not understood what is the rhythm pattern is. But you are understanding that yes, something good is going on. And I am really thankful to Mr. Varadarajan, who is sitting over there. Because without his support, his wonderful family might have not been involved like this. And really I am thankful to all the people. And Raju Bhaiya is there in the mic. And all the musicians, those who are sitting here, mridangist, vocalist and violinist. Thank you very much. And once again, as Madam said, this auditorium jam-packed nahi hona chahiye. जिसके तकदीर में लिखा भगवान को देखना वही देख सकता है. जिसके तकदीर में लिखा जो भरतनाट्यम देखना वही देख सकता है. सो तकदीर सबको मिलना चाहिए. भगवान को मैं दुआ करूँगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir. I request you to kindly come back onto the dais. I request Ms. Suchitra Mitra ji, Srimati Raji Srivastava, Shri Pramod Srivastava, and Srimati Vasanti Rajashekaran also to join us on the dais to give away the mementos to the budding dancers and the members of orchestra.
It is time to call our budding artists of the evening. Their enthusiasm in regularly attending classes and learning Bharatanatyam is unmatched. A big congratulations to the Guru and parents for guiding them and motivating them. I request our chief guest to present these children with a memento. Kumari Anahita, Kumari Anaya Shukla, Kumari Bhadra Prakash. Kumari Bhavdharini Govindaraj. कुमारी रूपकथा अधिकारी. कुमारी सोहिनी रक्षित. We would also like to honor the members of our orchestra. On vocal, Kumari Sapna Krishna Kumar. On Mridangam, Sri Sridev. On violin, Sri Raghavendra Prasad.
Now we call upon stage Kumari Sara Kashyap and Kumari Hariniga Babu, who have been beautifully anchoring today's program. Sara is a Aisar Mohali student of MS 24 batch, and Hariniga is herself a student of Srimati Sheshadri, and she is pursuing first year BE at Punjab University. Now may I request on stage, everybody please stay back. Please stay back, yeah. So now may I request on stage Kumari Anaya, Kumari Anahita, Kumari Bhadra, Kumari Bhavadharini, Kumari Roopkatha and Kumari Sohini to come and respect their Guru.
Thank you. The program will continue and there are 2 more dance items. Request all of you to give your continued support to the children. After the program, refreshments have been arranged. I request all of you to join us for the refreshments and also interact with our artists. Item would be Brahma Mokkate, a composition of Saint Poet Annamacharya in Telugu. The song itself, though in Carnatic form, has a folk touch to it. The core message of the song is that there is only one supreme reality or Brahman. The song emphasizes the unity of all creations, highlighting that despite outward differences, the underlying spirit is the same. The poet says that there is no distinction among the creatures as it is the God who dwells in all the creatures. Brahma Mokkate, Parabrahma Mokkate in Ragam Bhupalam, set to Adi Talam.
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೆ ಪರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕ್ಕಟೆ ತಂದನಾನ ಹಿ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರೇ ತಂದನಾನ ಭಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಭಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಭಳ ತಂದನಾನ సునకము మీడ పొలయు నెల్లొక్కటే కడు పుణ్యలను పాప కర్మూలను సరిగామ జడయు శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరు నామమొక్కటే కడు పుణ్యలను పాప కర్మూలను సరిగామ జడయు శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరు నామమొక్కటే ఈశ్వరు నామమొక్కటే వెంకటేశ్వరు నామమొక్కటే తందనానాకి తందనాన పుడే తందనాన భళ తందనాన తందనానాహి తందనాన పుడే తందనాన భళ తందనాన బల తందనాన బల తందనాన బల తందనాన బల తందనాన.
We come to the end of today's concert. The last item of today's concert is Tillana. Tillana is a brisk and lively number. It has jatis as a part of composition and few lines of sahityam or lyrics in charanam, followed by muktaya. The composer here praises the deity Guru Skanda, he who is handsome and enchanting. He is the bliss of the sages who worship him. To that Lord of Valli, I pay obeisance, O my Guru Skanda. Tillana in Ragam Mohana Kalyani, set to Adi Thalam, composed by Sri Lalgudi Jayaraman.
ತಕತ ಜನುದೀಂ ತತ ಜನುದೀಂ ತನದಿರನ 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 ದಿರನ ದಿರನ 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 ತಕತ ಜನುದೀಂ ತತ ಜನುದೀಂ ತನದಿರನ
and everyone who has contributed in making this event a meaningful and memorable occasion. This evening was beautifully anchored by Kumari Sara and Kumari Hariniga. Thank you. First and foremost, our sincere thanks to Srimati Ranjini Sheshadri for being the guiding light behind today's performance. Her dedication, patience, and the tireless efforts over the past several years have shaped each of these students not just into dancers, but into disciplined and expressive artists. Today's presentation is a true reflection of her passion and commitment to the art form. We are grateful to the orchestra members, Kumari Sapna, Sri Sridev, Sri Raghavendra, and Srimati Sheshadri again, for their support in this entire process. We are grateful to Rajuji for managing the audio system so seamlessly, ensuring every sound resonated clearly, the enhanced performance. A warm thank you, Ajay ji, for capturing today's precious moments through photography, and to Dr. Anshuman Roy Chaudhary for his help with the video documentation and preserving these memories for years to come. We thank Kumari Vidushi Chauhan for her support on the online streaming of the entire event. Our sincere appreciation to Pallavi ji for the elegant and thoughtful makeup that added grace to the dancers' expressions. And to Ajay ji and Harvinder ji for the entire meticulous arrangement of this auditorium so that everything can be smoothly run. Our sincere thanks to Mrs. Lakshmi Prakash and Dr. Deepti Shukla for the pre-event photo shoot and the preparation of the digital announcement. So thank you, Lakshmi and Deepti. Thank you, Lakshmi, for curating the wonderful artwork we presented to our chief guest. Thank you so much, Lakshmi. Dr. Moitri Lashkar, Dr. Deepti Shukla, Srimati Yashoda, and Sri Govindraj has been taking care of all the hospitality. A big thank you to them. And we also offer our deepest gratitude to all the family members and friends, some of whom who have traveled from afar to have them with us, and others who joined us in spirit from online. With this, for your constant blessing, encouragement, and unwavering support that we are here. As we conclude, let us remember that dance is not just a movement, it is a prayer in motion, it is the language of the soul, and through it, we connect to something greater than ourselves. I leave you with a translation from Tagore that expresses so beautifully the spirit of art. Art seeks to express what is eternal within us. It makes the invisible visible and gives speech to the silent. Namaskar and have a great evening.